Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to create a folder in Python if it doesn't already exist. This is a common task when working with file and directory manipulation, and Python provides a straightforward way to accomplish it. The OS module in Python provides a way to interact with the operating system. We'll use it to check if a folder exists and create one if it doesn't. Specify the path of the folder you want to create. You can use an absolute path or a relative path. In this example, we'll create a folder named example_folder in the current working directory. Before creating the folder, it's a good practice to check if it already exists. We can use the os.path.exists function for this purpose. If the folder doesn't exist, we can proceed to create it using the os.makedirs function. This function creates all the intermediate directories if they don't exist. Here's the complete Python script. This tutorial covered the basic steps to create a folder in Python if it doesn't exist. You can adapt this code to your specific use case by changing the folder_path variable to the desired directory. This is a fundamental skill for handling file and directory operations in Python, and it can be useful in various scenarios, such as data storage, logging, and more. ChatGPT